You messed it up over.
Hey guys, welcome back to Samelia's World. I'm Samelia, and if it's your first, ooh, look at that gray right there. If it's your first time watching, go ahead and click subscribe below. These two are behind me. Okay, so let me get to what this video is about. We are making rainbow cake. These two are making a mess. With her mommy over here. So, what's going on here? Maria?
We are separating the dough so the kids can start coloring the dough to make the rainbow. So what's just the plain vanilla, which is S1. So
I know, like that. The cake mix that we use is vanilla, Betty Crocker, super moist. Zoe, what color is yours?
I'm doing purple right now, and then I'm gonna do green and orange.
Alan, what color is yours?
Blue, red.
Gel food coloring, you guys. I am not the baker.
Do you have something to say for the purple?
Oh, look at that purple. That looks like lavender.
I know. Should I put it more darker?
No. It's whatever. It's creative.
So when people ask you things like, oh, should I make it more darker? Or like, purple is purple. And when you're being creative, it is what it is, like, naturally.
Green looks so pretty. Okay, now you want to mix these all together?
The idea is that once you have separated the colors and you're gonna get ready to put it in the pan, trying not to like mix the colors. You don't want.
So you really don't mix them.
No, you're just pouring it one on top of each other.
Ooh, now we're using Atlin's blue to mix with Zoe's purple, green, and yellow. What I do want to know is, Maria, why did you have to use gel instead of regular food coloring?
Gel food coloring gives much brighter colors. The purple, they use the regular food coloring and you can see the difference.
Do you guys notice what kind of pan she's using? She is using like a pound cake pan instead of like a regular cake plate. Okay, I'm not the cook, I just eat. As you guys know, if it's your first time watching, I love to eat. And then we have our regular YouTube hater in the back.
I'm not a hater, I love YouTube.
Now what are you doing?
Now we are going to put it in the oven.
So we're going to check on... Oh, look at the doggy.
We baked it for 38 minutes.
Oh, wow. Look at
Yeah,
that.
it looks awesome, but it's kind of stuck. And now this is the worrying part because it looks like it's stuck on the bottom. No, it's what's gonna happen when we flip it over. Because it's not coming out. That means it's stuck in here. Ah, it came out.
Wow, funfetti chocolate fudge. Yummy. Here is the final cake with the frosting.